风亲啊，体坛消息，台湾上届大咖勇将霍华德外号魔兽，明仔载就要来出战，这是伊的第一场穿土黄混白球衫来参加比赛。球团特别来举办着媒体日，提早互大家看比赛的主场，嘛互霍华德甲大家来讲一下啊，伊备战的心情。
明仔载就是 NBA 球星魔兽 Dwight Howard 加入土黄分霸队的第一场比赛。今仔日分霸队嘛专工办理媒体日，和内部整修了后的新主场国立体台提早献光，要迎接明仔载第一场比赛。会当看到涂骹已经有做整修，各有球员名单得分比赛时间的新荧幕，拢已经都有好势。Howard 嘛真期待明仔载比赛来听伊头大的访问。
Yes, tomorrow is the big day for all the fans here in Taiwan. We're looking forward to it. We're looking forward to the game. We know that the arena is going to be packed with a lot of people who are going to be excited to see us play. So we're going to go out there and be intense, have a lot of fun, and let everybody know that the Leopards are coming this year.
对后来台湾引起魔兽风潮，因明仔载就要和新北中信地公队相战，因是有真侪黄金球员的球队。明仔载状况安怎？即马两边拢在积极备战。以上是目前上新的状况，甲时间交登去主播。